So let's break this down. It's a lot of words, right? Some of y'all probably like, what the heck did I just read? So you got to break it down. You got to break it down to little chunks, right? So all they're simply asking is when you develop an information system or a component of the system, when you develop IT stuff, do you at some point before that thing goes into production, do you at some point have a description of the functional properties? Do you have a description of how those security controls are to be employed? Do you talk about the security parts of it? Do those developers provide a description of that as some way somehow? They don't care how you do it. It just needs to be done, right? Now, in addition to make sure the server is working, I need to have a description of the security functions, right? Of what parts of it helps to enforce security controls. Now, how does your organization do it? Every organization does it differently, right? The way that it should be done, ideally, and I'm not saying it's the only way that it should be done, before anything goes out into production, right? If we are developing something new, right, before it goes out into production, there should be some type of a user manual, right? And in the user manual, right, that you build, I mean, that you have drafted, whoever developed this should have some type of a manual on how to use it. And before it is being used in production, part of that user manual should include the functional properties to say, hey, if you want to encrypt things, this is where you go to make sure that the encryption is turned on. If you want to make sure that, I don't know, certain unsecure ports and protocols are not running, this is how it needs to be done, right? But you need to make sure that the people that are developing the information system and information system services are certainly writing those descriptions out somewhere.